Click on this subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the navigation wheels and the pan, zoom, orbit and the world coordinate system and the usage coordinate system. First go on to the Auto-Cad file and draw the one of the rectangle. By using the rectangle command I am drawing the two rectangles of the sum of the dimensions I mentioned. You want to change the colors, go on to the properties and the different types of colors are there. You can change the colors by using the properties also, already explained in the previous tutorial. In the navigation, one of the palette is available on the left side. You can observe on the Auto-Cad different types of wheels are there. This is the full navigation wheel. Full navigation consists of zoom, orbit and forward. Some of the features are available. Simply select the individual what is available on the wheel and select this and operate all of the on the object. See, this is the rewind tool. By using the rewind tool, what are the operations you made before, the rewind tool will helps you like this. And you want to pan the object. To move any of the object, I want to select the pan option. Then you can simply by using the scroll key, pressing the long of the scroll key, you can pan the object. By using the mouse also you can use the objects without using the navigation wheels also you can, but the navigation wheels are somewhat so helpful. Even the lock tool is there. You want some of the in navigation wheels, this type of navigation wheel consists of some of the walk and the zoom tool is there. Select any of the navigation wheel, what is the name is appears, then simply go on to the object and perform the operation. It will perform like this. See what I am performing. See the full tutorial will explain all about the all palettes. And I am going to the zoom option. See, is the different type of wheel. And this consists of this is also consists of a rewind tool. Like this, you can place the wheel in any of the object. You can to perform the any of the object in Auto-Cad. These wheels are very helpful. Then go on to the next is main tool building wheel. This consists of 4 models and the rewind tool, and some of the tools are there. You observe what is performing by clicking on the wheel. Then this wheel is completed. Next go on to the another wheel is there. You want to go on to the previous, simply click on the undo Control Z, then the previous object will appear and the basic view of the wheel. This is the center and the rewind and the orbit options are there. See, by selecting on the rewind, this is automatically you observe on the screen. This key is very helpful to rotate any of the object. You click on the orbit, you can move orbit the object in 360 degrees position. Then the wheel is completed. Next go on to the basic tool building wheel. The look, rewind and up and down wheels are there. Want to practice this drawing, you can also practice these operations. What are the type of wheels are available, what it performs on the Auto-Cad. By default it is performing all the operations. See, the up and down option is there, top and bottom. You want to simply drag like this on the top and the bottom by using the mouse, by using the left mouse key, by scrolling and the right click options. You can operate the object in a prescribed positions. And this is the wheels are completed and the look forward and one of the wheel is completed. Next it is the 2D wheel. The 2D wheel consists of simply 3 zoom. The zoom tool is there and the rewind and the pan. All wheels has a separate performances, different types of performing, different types of views are available. Like this, you want to do the pan, simply you want to move from one place to another place. The pan tool is very helpful. Then not only in the wheels, the pan tool is available on the bottom of the wheel. See, click on the pan option, you can move the object like this. You can also move the object by long press on the scroll key. Also the pan option will performs. This is the zoom extensors. You want to zoom the object, zoom extensors will helpful. You can also, by using the commands also, the zoom options will appear. So I will show you. And go on to the command line, Z enter, see zoom specific corner of the window, enter a scale factor, all extenders window previous object, like this it is showing. You want to give A, all enter, then all of the objects is come to the closer to the file, and go to the extensors. By using the command also it will perform like this, and simply go into the palette, different types of window. You want to zoom the window, select the from the first point and the opposite corner point of the any of the specified part, then the zoom option will appears on the screen. And this is the zoom previous. See what you done on the previous method, you can observe on the screen by using the zoom previous option. The zoom previous is completed. Next go on to the zoom real time. See, zoom real time is very helpful. The scroll key, long press on the scroll key, you can move the object in a zoom in and out. And the zoom dynamic position, simply select the all of the circle, the dynamic positions will highlight on the object. See, like this. You want to specify the any of the input, you can performing like this. Next go on to the zoom scale. Zoom scale, this is the zoom scale. You want to scale the any of the object by using the zoom option, you can use the zoom scale. Next go on to the zoom center. With respect to the object, this object will perform, some of the operations will not perform, because as according to the drawing the objects will perform. Both are constant with the drawing, the object will perform easily. See, this is the, you want to select the object, zoom object will helpful. Select the object and select the zoom object command. That specified object will appears on the screen by using the zoom object. And go on to the zoom in and the zoom out. This is simple already. This is the zoom extension, this is the zoom palettes completed, and zoom specific corner of the window, and rescale, different types of already explained by using the command. Also increase the zoom, and right click display shortcut by using the zoom option, the zoom command on the command line. The three are completed. Next to go on to the orbit. Orbit consists of a 3 orbit and the free orbit and the continuous orbit. This is the orbit. Select the object by selecting on the orbit option, and 3D orbit. These orbits are helpful in the 3D operations, not so much as is useful for the 2D operations. This orbit is very much helpful for the 3D orbits. You want to revolve any of the objects in a 360-degree position of any of the degrees is possible by using the continuous orbit. You will continuously revolve the object by using the continuous. You want to increase the speed also, you can increase the speed. You can decrease the speed also, it is possible by using the continuous orbit option. This is the one of the example. From the example I will explain all of the navigation panel and pan and the zoom orbit, and orbit is completed. Next to go on to the old coordinate system. On the top of the tool the old coordinate system is there, you can observe. The show motion is also helpful on the 3D. I will explain in my next tutorial on the 3D commands. And the WCS, WC is nothing but the old coordinate system. You want to change the west, east and the north, south options are available on the top of the screen. You want to revolve the object, you can change the directions to southwest and northeast, like north, south. You can change the option by using the old coordinate system is available on the screen. What I performing, see, you want to give the back also, you can drag like this by using the mouse. It will rotate like the orbit command like this at the back and the top. You can give the as your custom coordinate system also you can give by using the WCS option, and simply click on the WCS, and the UCS option is available on the bottom. You can observe on the screen WCS, this is the drawing. We want to undo this option, simply click on the Ctrl Z and new UCS. See, I am creating the one of the user coordinate system XYZ like this. You want to anywhere, you place this anywhere, you will create the custom user coordinate system is available. On the user coordinate system of the XYZ plane, you can create the objects from the distance between the XYZ plane. You can develop by using the world coordinate system and the user coordinate system. This is you want to rotate like this, simply click on the object will rotate like this. These are the simple explanations of the navigations and the pan, zoom, orbit and the world coordinate system and the UCS coordinate system. I hope this tutorial is well helpful for the beginners.